In the previous episode, we enabled developer options and connected the handset to Tango ADB via USB. Today, we will continue exploring the core features of the platform. Upon entering the main interface, you will first see the overview panel, where consolidated device information is displayed. Brand, model, OS build, battery level, storage capacity, memory usage, and IP address, allowing administrators to verify hardware status at a glance. To the left of overview is the screen mirror module, which offers sub-100 ms latency mirroring and full bidirectional input control. For example, a single click on the Chrome icon launches the browser, or opening camera streams the live feed to the desktop in real time. Continuing downward, below the screen mirror sidebar, lies the notification center. It forwards all push messages to the web client and supports one-click expand or dismiss for centralized management. At the bottom of overview, two frequently used tools are integrated. First, share device, which generates a single-use TLS encrypted link. Anyone with the link can remotely operate the handset through a modern browser without installing additional software. Second, quick actions, which synchronizes the clipboard bidirectionally between host and device for seamless copy and paste. For file operations, open File Browser. The system presents onboard storage in a hierarchical tree, supporting upload, download, create, delete, rename, and bulk operations, with permissions identical to the system file manager. Regarding application management, switch to App Manager. Here you can inspect package names, version codes, and permission sets of installed apps, as well as perform batch install, uninstall, or APK export, and launch applications directly. Finally, in the Advanced section, Terminal provides a full ADB shell within the browser. To start Shizuku, for instance, simply paste the official command. Remove the leading add shell segment and press Enter. The service will start and grant authorization without a local console. This concludes the overview of Tango ADB's main capabilities. In the next episode, we will explore more features of Tango ADB.